Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to check the upper ball joints on your Chevrolet pickup. This happens to be a 2008 two-wheel drive Silverado. First thing you're going to want to do is just go ahead and jack up the wheel you want to check. And you're just going to get it off the ground just a little bit. Not so high, you don't need jack stands or anything like that. Alright, so the upper ball joint is right here, and we're looking for play this way. Alright, well that's how you check the upper control arm ball joint on a 2008 Chevrolet pickup. It's the same for Tahoes and actually a lot of cars. But if you want to see me replace those control arms, do me a favor and hit subscribe and hit that thumbs up button for me. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.